What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far. Finally got into Texas. Happy to finally be out of the vehicle. I know he is too. He does not enjoy being in the car seat at all. But we're going through a little bit of a retracement today. It's predictable. It's not surprising at all. The market can only run so hot right now because we're not deep into alt season yet. And really, what I want to discuss is when I think the market is going to take off. What do we need to finally have that push where you see this capital that's sitting on the sidelines in the space right now, ready to go, start to buy up coins again, altcoins, BTC, whatever. And what is it going to take some of that outside capital and push that into the space as well? And really what I believe it is Mt. Gox. Now, why I say that is this. I want you guys to hear me out. So I don't think the Mt. Gox selling in general really matters that much. It's a drop in the bucket when it comes to BTC liquidity. It impacts on price, really not that much. What it has to do with is sentiment. When people hear, hey, I'm buying crypto, but there's going to be $9 billion worth of BTC dumped in the market. Exactly. When there's $9 billion that's going to be dumped in the market, it frankly pauses people just a little bit, right? And now we've been going through this period of distribution when it comes to Mt. Gox. Now, the great thing is that they're 36% complete with this already. So they're well on their way. We're absorbing a lot of this in terms of the market. And really, for example, the German government, the selling that was taking place there, it caused us to retrace. People saying, yes, I'm going to dump a huge amount of crypto in the market doesn't really sit well in terms of confidence in the market. Exactly. You couldn't have said it myself. But what you need to understand is that most people, when it comes to actually getting their crypto back from Mt. Gox, most of them are not planning on selling. Now, this is the survey that was actually done about these Mt. Gox coins. And what they found was that only about 20% of entities that are going to be, at least ones that responded, 20% of them are actually planning on selling all their BTC. Most of them are either planning on selling none to very little. All right. So anyways, this thing that right now is kind of holding people back from entering the market or putting their capital back into many of these other coins in the space is something that frankly isn't going to make much of an impact in price anyways. So that's why me personally, I'm not being affected by this right now. I'm accumulating. I'm not scared of drops because frankly, at the end of the day, they're not going to matter. If they happen, great, more opportunity. If they don't happen, period, then I don't look stupid for not buying, right? And I'm not saying that people that are waiting are stupid or anything like that, but you guys get the point, right? We saw how little of an impact the German BTC dumping was. All right, they had $2.7 billion worth of BTC, made almost zero impact in the market. Because guess what? Right now, guys, it may not look like it, but there are far more people that are actually accumulating BTC than there are those that are dumping it. All right, institutional money, guess what? They brought up the dip, one of the highest buying weeks we have seen in a very long period of time, and it's because they were given a gift, the gift of opportunity, and that's really what this has given us. So I believe once Mt. Gox basically finishes their distribution of BTC, the market is in fact going to be allowed to run a lot easier. People are going to have a lot more confidence. Sentiment is in fact going to be a lot better, not to mention the approval of Ethereum spot ETFs, the launch and trading of those. It's all going to come together very, very quickly, a lot sooner than I think people realize. That's why it's not time to play games. It's not time to mess things up. It's time to make sure you are zoned in and ready to go. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.